Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do a cut crease makeup tutorial. I've been practicing my cut crease. I am not very good at it, but I think I'm better now. So I think I'm good to come on camera and show you guys how I do this cut crease thing. So let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another episode of The Shauna Show. The Shauna Show. Jealousy is a disease, die slow. Die slow. Let's go. Let's go. So as you guys can see, I already have my eyebrows done and I did put on the basic foundation. I primed my face, put on my foundation, and that's all I did because you guys already saw me do this on previous tutorials, so I'm not gonna waste time. So let's get into cutting the crease. So first, what I do, I prime my eyes with some concealer. And to prime my eyes, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I just put a little bit over my eyes. Some powder. That's it, nothing crazy. So that's it. That's how you prep your eyes. Concealer, set it with powder. That's it. And today I'm going to take this Naked palette, from Urban Decay. It has really nice warm colors. So what I normally do first is just take a neutral color and go over my eyelids. So I'll take this one and I mix it with this one. Just go over my eyelids. Brown here to smoke up my crease. Then I'm going to take the darker one. And the key to having good eyeshadow, guys, is to blend it properly. You have to blend in your shadows. That's the key, major key. Okay, blend, blend, blend. So to cut my crease, I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Add a little bit on your eyelids. Then you look up. So wherever the concealer touches your lids, that's how high your crease is gonna be. And I'm gonna need to go in with a mirror because you have to be very precise. So the crease is cut. I'm gonna go in with my base color. For the base color, I'll use this one. And the base color will also set the concealer I just cut the crease with. iridescent color right here. I'm gonna go in with the darker color and define my crease. I'm gonna go in with that color. I'm gonna go in with that color and define my crease. Blend. Blend. Blending is your best friend. Okay guys, so just dust off the excess powder, well, eyeshadow powder that falls onto your face. So let's get into fixing up this face now. It was getting dark, so I needed some lights. I had natural lights, but the sun's going down and I don't have natural light anymore. So studio lights, here I come. Okay guys, so I just put some eyeliner on and I put some glue on my lashes. Today I'm going to wear lashes from Lashed Out by Mo. I'll show you guys that in a minute. So I'm just going to continue with my face while the glue dries on my lashes. So while that bake, my eyelash is going to be dried. So I already lined my lashes. So I'm going to go in and prep it for my falsies with my Better Than Sex mascara. Better Than Sex, baby. Lies, lies. Anyways. MAC loose powder. This is in the color dark. I always get my foundation, my powder is darker than my natural complexion, so my makeup can look nice and bronze. It's just my preference. So just dip a little bit of powder on your brush and brush this off, and what that does, it helps with the flashback. So when you take a photo with flash, you won't have the white residue there, because you can brush it off, but when you bake, it seeps into your skin. When you bake, it will show. Then I'm going to take my MAC press powder. So now this is going to uniform my face. I just need some lashes and some highlights, and then I am done. These are Lashed Out by Mo. Lashed Out by Mo. So I applied my lashes and I applied this NYX lip butter and cranberry pie from NYX. You can get this at Ulta. And my lashes are Lash by Mo, and this is 6009. Love them. These lashes, guys, they are not for the faint-hearted girls. These are bold, in-your-face, dramatic lashes. There you have my cut crease smoky eye makeup. Living for the cut crease, honey. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys are inspired. I hope you guys go ahead and try this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah. Toodles.